All right. Welcome to the first installment of Dorico tutorials. I have moved on from Finale and we are moving into Dorico land, so to speak. And our very first tutorial is going to be on this double-handed technique. This double-handed technique you'll see quite a lot in string writing and in piano music, sometimes a lot of keyboard music. So here's how you do it. You're going to want to make sure that if you're using, if you want 16th notes, you're going to want to, for ease, make sure the 16th notes are selected down here. I don't know what these are called, by the way. If you're doing 8th notes, you'll want to make sure that these 8th notes are selected. And then, of course, 16th or 32nd notes or anything above, then, select those. We're doing 16th notes, so let's just go ahead over here. You're going to want to, we're going to be using two voices. So make sure your first voice is selected, and we'll just be using the note E. So go ahead and fill in, make sure your 16th notes are selected. E, skipping a note, E, skip, E. You want to make sure there's a 16th rest in between. Okay, go back to the very beginning and choose your second voice. And in between those arrests, we're going to insert notes in between. Now it looks like a bit of a mess, which it is. We're going to go ahead and clean that up. Go ahead and select everything. Go up to Edit and remove rests. Now what you want to do is you're going to want to hold down Control and select every other note. And once you have that, right click and go up to Beaming and beam together. And you're going to do the other notes that haven't been beamed yet. Again, holding Control. Highlight those. Right click. Beam. Beam together. Now with those notes highlighted, you'll then want to go to, again, right click. Stem for stem up. And there you have it. And that's how you do that. Now if you want to split these beams at certain points in the music, that's totally fine. Go ahead and select one of those notes. Right click. Go up to Beaming again, and split beam. And then maybe down here, beaming, split beam. And that's all there is to it. And what's really nice is you can also select a note and adjust the notes according to the music. And wonderful. So that's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful. If you like this video and it helped you out, go ahead and leave a like. And if you want to stay up to date with what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out a ton. So I'll see you guys all next time.